Welcome back, everybody. This is Race Banning, Callen Camper Life. We got a lot going on this video. We got some roof repairs, leaks to fix. We got some cooking going on, and we got the same old tossed salad of weather happening still. But let's go. Well, I'm taking some stuff apart. That window right there is an old, just a cheap old slider they threw in back in the day, and yeah, it's got sealing issues in the whole nine yards. I'm just going to take it out, but I'm not going to take the camper shell off. I'm just going to take the window out and seal it back up, and plan for another day, maybe when I can just take the whole camper down, do it from the front side proper, and get a just block it off, seal it off. I don't need it anyways. There's no pass through, so yep. Busy today, and there we go, got access, so I can reach between the cab and that sliding window and take the 1/4-inch screws out, the sheet metal screws that hold the aluminum siding on and stuff, and that'll release that window. Then I don't have to take it apart from inside, so let me try and do that. I know I can reach out there now. Sweet. Hey Rick, got 2 panels out. Which I'm going to save the glass. I can use them maybe in the little visitor center. But I had to take down that edge, which is okay. This thing's scrap anyways. And I'm going to take these out. And be easier to reach the screws out there because you kind of need 2 hands. Oh well, it's coming along. Let's go. Well, we're about 2/3 done. I'm going to clean it up after I get everything out and get the putty off the outside. This window sweats so much, it's just thin, it slides, it doesn't seal. Created a problem for me that I plan on fixing all this anyways, but not completely tear down this thing just yet. But at some point, then I want to take all the paneling out, add 1 inch of board to every of the steel beams, and then put 2 inch of this foam board and reseal the whole thing back up. So there we have it. Got everything out, everything looks real good, so that's a plus. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to seal it like they do in modern houses with that thick, it's a membrane tape that wraps from the outside to the inside, and then you place your door or whatever within that and then seal that up, because I have the paneling and I have the outside sheet metal, and that's just got to get sealed away from the steel frame. So yeah, I think we're there, and that's what it looks like. All the parts and pieces that were left over, I had to take it out a piece at a time because I didn't want to break these glass panels, so I was able to salvage them. That's good. Well, there I got the bottom done. You're always going to start at the bottom and then work your way up the sides. Got most of the putty off. I'm going to finish the side of the truck. You can see on the mirror though, the mirror on the window, you can see where the putty's still up there, which is nice because I can see kind of what I'm doing by the reflection. So I cleaned the cab window finally, and yeah, you can see it look like a mirror. So it helps seeing what's on the back side. But here we go, getting it sealed up, and I'll do this a few times and get it fixed. So, and just like that, we got it wrapped from the outside to the inside. Nice and tight. That stuff sits real good. That's 10 mil tape, pretty heavy duty for wrapping pipes with insulation and stuff like that. So I'm gonna grab another roll. I'm getting down to the end of this one, so I can do it again. But that's just a band-aid. That'll keep the water and the moisture from running down that window, because that window used to just sweat up something fierce. And then it runs down, gets between the lower, which you can tell, that's why it's got stains. So yeah, those single pane windows, even these are nice and tinted here, but they're just way too much cold transfers through the aluminum frames and the glass. And there we have it, friends. Got the 2 inch foam board put in there, and then taped up the gap, and it's super tight. I put a wedge on it, so it's very tight, and that'll keep everything out until I get to making a more permanent, plug for the hole, so to speak. But yeah, looking good. Making a lot of power today. Did a little roast cooking. Been there since this morning. Gonna have to give it a little whirl here in a minute. Gotta get it off. Just don't hit the camper. That's okay. Just tilt it up a little bit and get right to the edge right there, and I'll help you. You're good, and then there you go. Straight, straight, straight. All right. Gotta seal that roof. That thing ain't been off in 25 years, so. There we go. All right. I got the rack off. Let's see how much of a windbreak that is there. So, gonna get the roof sealed up. Do a little paint repair on the roof here and try to put something down so it doesn't rub through next time. Get her done. Flipping the bacon. Yeah. One big angry cloud. There's hailing. Oh, no visor. Getting ready to get that roof sealed up. It's like snowing and hailing and raining at the same time. Go figure. Pretty chilly too, about 30 degrees.